Welcome to SHE Dental Academy. The biggest news for the day, the government of India has decided to extend the date of internship completion for the upcoming NEET MDS entrance exam from 1st April 2025 to 30th June 2025. So mark this date. All you students who are completing your internship by 30th June 2025 will be eligible to give the upcoming NEET MDS entrance exam. There is no change in the date of the exam. Okay, the exam will be held on the same date, that is the 19th of April 2025. There's no change in the date of the exam, but your internship completion date has been extended, and that is how some of the students interns who are not eligible up till now, okay, now will be eligible. The forms will be opened again as per the news which is coming, which I am taking from medicaldialogues.in. okay, NBE people are going to require around 1 week to reopen the forms for the eligible candidates. So all you guys who are eligible or who are going to be eligible with this criteria, do take care. Official notice is yet to come, so we cannot upload the official notice, but yes, the information is there for you to see on the internet. If you go by the last year's notice also, okay, and you look at the last year's notice, okay, 11/7/2024, a notice came in which the internship extension was granted to the students. Okay, the date was made the same, 30th June 2024. So this time the notice has come earlier. So all you guys who are eligible, okay, do take care to visit the NBMS website as to when the forms reopen again, and it will take around 1 week or so as per the information available. So do fill the form and don't miss this chance. This is a great opportunity for all of you people to utilize. So take care. Bye bye. I'll see you again.